Good morning, students. Today, Tuesday class. Okay. How are you today? Yes, I think you are fine. Okay, students. I'm happy. I'm happy here that it's so great to see you again. Okay, students. Right. Okay. Right. Today we are see fifth standard English. Today we are see fifth standard English. Okay. Okay, students. We are go to the topic. Okay, we are go to the topic. Right. Yes, today we are discuss about topic name is exploring space. Okay, exploring space. Okay, right. Anyone stand up and tell me? Okay. Today what is the day? Yes. Please inform me. Yes, today Thursday. Good. Today Thursday class. Okay, right. Yeah, good. Sit down. Okay. Today we all see exploring space. Topic name is exploring space. Already we have completed. See here. Already we are completed exploring phase. This is okay. This also the character also we are completed. Okay. Yeah, these are all the already we are completed. We are finished. We are all. It's also we are saw that. Okay. Yes. It's also seeing. Yes, the pole. Yes. What is that? Beyond the universe. Yes, already completed. We are completed that. We are good. Okay. Right. These are all happening already. We have completed that. Good. Okay. Right. See here, it's also already we are completed. Good. Okay. Right. It's also already completed. Are you clear, students? Okay. Good. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. See here. Yes, lost in space already we are completed. These are the happening. They are go to the what space. Okay. Yes, it's interesting one. Already we are completed that. Okay, like that. Okay, right. See here, it's also completed. Yes, you are prepared well. Next day we are making to the test. Okay, right. See here, today we are see book back exercise of what? Yes, lost in space. The book back exercise. Today we are see here. Wait. Okay, students, are you clear? Right. First of all, I ask the question: you are all eat or not? You cannot eat. First of all, you are going to eat the food. After you will come and see our class or attend the class. Okay. Right. Good. Okay, students. Today we also see the book back exercise. Okay. And now the COVID is also going on here, so you are wearing your mask. Okay, that's very important. Okay, now we are going to the topic. Yes, what is that? Now, first of all, we also see what it is, right? True or false, right? True or false. Good. Yeah, yes. Okay, students, see here. First of all, we are see. Wait. Okay. Okay. Good. 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 Super. Correctly I sit my back. Okay, students, are clear? Okay, good. First of all, we have see right on. Right, true or false. Okay, right, true or false. Now, right here, just listen properly. Are you here, students? Okay. First of all, we have see first question. Already we all saw the character. Samudan. Yes. See here the first one. Amudan looked the door behind him. Once again, Amudan locked the door behind him. Sorry, look, not look, locked. Okay, Amudan locked the door behind him. Okay, right. Which is the answer of here? Yes. Who's lock? Amudan also locked the door behind him. Sorry, Amudan locked the door behind him. Okay, Amudan also locked the door. Yes, wrong or right? No, wrong. Because the other person, I think, who's locked that? See here. Yes, Amudan also Nilavan. Yes, Nilavan also locked the door. Okay, so that is false. Okay, now I tell you. So now right here, see here, what we can give, it is one of the answer on right here. See, listen here. Yes, false. It is one of the answer of false. Just you try, students. Okay, false. FALSE. Okay, false. Okay, right. Second one, Nilavan unknowingly started the space shuttle. Okay, Nilavan unknowingly started the space shuttle. True or false? Yes, it's something true, right? True. So now I write get true. Okay, true. Listen properly. Okay, true. Okay, are clear? Okay, third one also clear. The blue light seen through the windows were aliens. Okay, it's wrong or right? Yes, aliens. The blue light seen though the through the windows were aliens. It's wrong, right? For third one. Okay, right. Third one also. It's false. Yeah, false. Okay, false. Good. Okay, clear. Okay, it's false, right? Next, we see fourth one also here. They went out though the broken window. They went out. They went out though the. Once again. They went out through the broken windows. It's wrong or right? Yes, it's not true. Correct. Are you clear, students? Okay, good. Okay, now ask the questions. Fifth one, the aliens gave a new shuttle to them. True or false? Tell me, students. Yes, good. It's false. Yeah, good. One of the false. Good. What is it? Yes, false. Yeah, good. To give once again, recapitulate this word. Okay, the first ones, Amudan locked the door behind him. False. Okay. Nilavan unknowingly started the space shuttle. True. The blue lights seen through the window were aliens. False. Okay. They went out through the broken windows. True. The aliens gave a new shuttle to them. False. Okay, are clear? Okay, now we have to see option B. Name the character or speaker. Name the character or speaker. Okay, the first one. Are you alright? Okay, are you alright? Who said? Yes, first one. Yes. Who said means? Yes, Nilavan also said. Correct. So now right here, Nilavan. Are you clear, students? Yeah, good. Okay. Listen properly. Nilavan, N-I-L-A. Okay. A-N. Okay, right. N-I-L-A, V-A-N, Nilavan. Are clear? Okay, good. See. So, are you alright? Who said means? Nilavan also said. Right. Okay. Second one also here. Wake up, your ship is ready. Who said? Yes, aliens. Okay, aliens also said. Wake up, your ship is ready. Already we also saw the topic, you know. Yes, so now I write here aliens. Okay, okay, aliens. Very good. Okay, right. Next you have the third one. Let me try pulling this lever. Okay, pulling this lever, not a lever, it's lever. Let me try pulling this lever. Who said? Yes, 1, 2, 3. Third one. Okay, who said? Amudan. Okay. So, okay, now I write here Amudan. Listen properly. Okay, Amudan. Okay, students, Amudan also now I write here. Okay, yeah, good. Okay. Fourth one also here. I'm fine. Okay, who said I'm fine? We must wear the space suit. I'm fine. We must wear the space. Who said? Who said mean? Yes, Amudan also said. Correct. Same as Amudan. So you are right here, Amudan. Okay. So now I write here Amudan. Are clear, students? Yeah, good. Okay. Super. Nice. Fifth one also here. Eat those capsules. Okay. Eat those capsules. Okay. Who said? Yes, aliens also said. Right. No. So now I write here aliens. Okay. Right. E NS. Okay, aliens. Okay, ALIENS. Okay, aliens also right here. Okay, are clear? Yeah, good. Okay, next you have the option C. Answer the following questions. Okay, next you have C. Answer the following questions. I see here first ones. Uh, See here first one, where the boys taken to, not a token, he also get no taken, where the boys taken to death. I mean, it's not two more questions, the answers now I write here. So see here, so now I start it. Okay, okay, the first question answer, listen properly students. Okay, right. Okay. Okay, okay, good. Now right here. Okay, the boys were so taken also get, so now I write taken. Okay, taken to, taken to, so space also here, so now I write continue here. Okay, taken to visit the space museum. Okay, it's not the answer of this question. Okay, are clear? Okay students, see here, the boys were taken to visit the space museum. It is one of the answer of the first question. Okay, where the boys taken to, write the answers. The boys were taken to visit the space museum. It is one of the answer of these questions, right? See here, now you have the second question. Okay, where did the space shuttle land? Okay, where did the space shuttle land? Answer now right here. Okay, see here, are you clear students? Okay, listen properly. Okay, the space, okay, now right here space. Okay, shuttle, like that, that is one of the vehicles, space shuttle. Space shuttle landed. Okay, now right here landed. Okay, landed on a new planet. Okay, so now I write here on a new planet. Okay, yeah, okay, new planet. Okay, are you clear students? Okay, new planet. Okay, once again, where did the space shuttle land? The answer is the space shuttle landed on a new planet. Okay, okay, are clear students? Okay, now we have see the third one. What did Nilavan see through the window? Okay, what did Nilavan see through the window? Okay, and the answer now right here, third one. Okay, okay, see here, so Nilavan, so now write the name. Okay, Nilavan, are clear? Okay, Nilavan saw, SAW. Okay, it's SAW, saw green, like that color. Okay, green lights, so now right here light. Okay, green lights. Okay, okay, green lights, coming, green light coming towards. Okay, good, green light coming toward the shuttle. TTLE. Okay, shuttle. Okay, right here, SQTTL shuttle. Okay, once again, what did Nilavan see through the windows? The answer is Nilavan saw green lights. Okay, green lights. Okay, green lights coming towards the shuttle. Okay, that shuttle is one of the vehicles. Okay, now we have see the fourth one. Who who shattered the windows? Who shattered the windows? Okay, in the fourth one also here. Write the answer of here. Yes, the answer is C here. Now write the fourth question answer. Okay, so simple. Okay, fourth question. See, listen properly. Okay, okay, aliens from the big aliens from the big shuttle. So it's one of the answer of here. Okay, and shattered the windows. So space no face here. So now I continue here. Okay, once again, aliens from the big shuttle. Okay, okay. Now I start here. Okay, sketch. Shattered the window. Are you clear, students? Good. Shattered the windows. It's not the answer of the fourth one. Okay, clear? Okay, next we have the fifth one also here. Right. Okay, students. Fifth one. How did the aliens know the boys' language? No new. Past. I mean, past and present tense. You know, past, present, no, new. That is like that. Okay. So they are no. Okay, past tense, present tense. Okay. New mean past tense, no mean present tense. So like that. Okay. How did the aliens know the boys' language? They are mentioned. Okay. Right. So, and I write the answer after here. Okay, there. Yeah, good. Okay, alien can see. So now right here, read okay, okay. Use the mind and use the two also now right here. Okay, speak. Okay, speak their language. Yes, THE here, dear. Kids speak their language. See, how did the aliens know the boys' language? The aliens can read the mind and use that to speak their language. Okay, THEIR. Okay, their language. Are clear? Okay, students. Okay, good. Next, you have the wait. Okay, okay. Perfectly I put my book. Okay, right, good. Okay, now you have see try your own. Okay, meaning in your mother's tongue, parts of speech used in a sentence. Okay, anyone you write here. Okay, right. First of all, we have see meaning. So now we have write meaning. Okay, just wait and I write it here. Okay, first we have the meaning. So now right here, just wait. Okay, students, listen properly. So meaning, so now right here vehicles. So vehicles means like that car, bike, okay, like vehicle, a vehicle. Okay, okay, students, good. The vehicles that takes people. So now people, okay, people. Yeah, good. Takes people into space and in into, okay, sorry, into, so into space, and comes back, comes back. So right here, back, comes back to earth. So ERTH. Okay, are clear? So the meaning, a vehicles that takes people into space and comes back to earth. Okay, so now right here, okay, right. Next you are see in your mother's tongue. So what is your mother tongue? Your mother tongue English mean write that English. Your mother tongue what? Malayalam mean you write Malayalam. So your mother tongue Tamil. So now I write here in my mother tongue when, so Tamil. So now I write here Vinkalam. It's not Tamil. Okay, it's my mother tongue Tamil. Okay, anyone language right here. Okay, English means like that vehicles. Okay, not a problem. Okay, right here vehicles. So in your mother's tongue right here. So now I write Vinkalam. Okay, right. Parts of speech. Next you see parts of speech also here now. What is mean parts of noun? Anyone. Okay, noun, pronoun, uh, abstract noun. So like that, anyone right here. So proper noun, what lot of things also there. So now I write noun, parts of speech, anyone, so write noun. Okay, for example now I write here, anyone write, it's not a problem. Okay, see, use in a sentence, the box also here, use in a sentence. Clear? Okay, so use in a sentence, what is, okay, now right here. Okay, my, okay, listen properly. My dream, are you here students? Yeah, good. Okay, you are the good students. Okay, because you are always listening, right? Your dream is, okay, your dream is to travel, like the traveling. Okay, travel. So now I write travel in a, because they are go to the space, so now right there, travel space shuttle. Okay, already we are go to the shuttle, so now right here shuttle. Okay, shuttle. Okay, my dream is to travel in a space shuttle. It's one of answer of it. Okay, just you draw the that vehicles. Okay, I mean like that you try to draw the vehicles. I like that I show my book. Okay, okay, where is the shuttle? So they are don't mention shuttle picture. Okay students, just listen me, just search this vehicles. Wait. Okay students, not a problem, they are don't given to the draw, so I draw the, yes, I draw the that vehicles. Okay, I mean the space should like that space and See here, where is that space? That is vehicles. Okay, so now I draw that vehicles. Okay, see here, just your adjust. Okay, students. Okay, see, listen properly. One line. I'm making one code, one line. Okay, it is one of the front page of this picture. Okay, I mean mirror side. They are see. Okay, write the driving place. It's on the driver seat, like the driver seat. Okay, uh, so now we make, okay, right, just listen, because I make it draw. Okay, right, okay, good students, listen properly. Okay, okay. Bye. Super. Okay, it's also coming here. So it's okay. You also just try. Okay, I also make it draw. Just for example, I draw it. Okay, see how to draw. Okay, see here, students. Okay, so now we connect the vehicles, right it. Okay, it's also like that back side. Okay, now right here back side. Okay, the smoke also go their side. So now right here it's one of the vehicles, space vehicles. Okay, are clear? Just right front side. Okay, okay, just wait, like yes, so one place right here. Yes, okay, students, it is one of the vehicles. Okay, now I draw it. Okay, just you try to draw in the place. Okay, yeah, okay, good. Are you clear, students? Okay, good. Yes, it's completed. Next we also see, wait, each one speak and win. Okay, speak and win, just your speak, it's not a problem. Okay, join either of following groups and say some valid point to win. Okay, just you are communicate it, fill the words. Okay, I like to live in the earth because anyone right here. Okay, anyone, no water, no food, so anyone right here. Okay, not a problem. Okay, I like to live in the earth because water also here, so I need water. So now I write here water. I need air, I need water. Anyone will write here. I need food. So now I write I need water or food. Okay, so now I write food. Okay, I need food. Okay, anyone right here. Group B, I like to live in the Mars because that is very what we are living Mars, even definitely new feeling. So new feel, so now right here new feel. Okay, new feel, are clear? So I need new feel, so now right here it. Okay, now right here it. Okay, next you all see, are here, students? Listen. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, you are read 3 times and you are making the color to hit the robot. What is it? Yes, it is one of the spacesuit man. Okay, 1 second. You read the passage 3 times and color a spacesuit for each times. Okay, how many 3 times? You read and 3 times you are making to the colors. First one, a spacesuit is like a spacesuit. Okay, 1 second. A spacesuit is like a spaceship build for one. A space A spacesuit is like a spaceship built for one. A spacesuit let us work and live in space. It protects us from the heat and the cold. Okay, cold. Heat and the cool. Heat and cold, not a cold. It's cold. Okay. Heat and cold. It gives us air to breathe. Breathe, not a breath. It's breathe. Okay. The should is made of many parts and has water to drink. Water to drink. It even has a built-in toilet if you need to use. Okay, first one, just you color one time you read and you make a color. So I for example I make a color. Okay, for example I make a color. Genuine colors are given, it's not a problem. Okay, once again, a spacesuit is like a spaceship built for one. A spacesuit lets us work and live in space. It protects us from the heat and the cold. It gives us air to breathe. The suit is made of many parts. In has water to drink. It even has a built-in toilet if you need to use. Okay, one second, second time also I read. So we are making the color to it. Okay, not a problem. Right. See, one second. A spacesuit is like a spaceship built for one. A spacesuit lets us work and live in a space. It protects us from the heat and the cold. It gives us air a breathe. The suit is made of many parts and has water to drink. It even has built-in toilet if you need to use. So the third one, so you are making the colors. Okay, already making the color just like that one. That time also making the so colors. Okay, just you are trying to make the color, students. Okay, next you are see what. Yes, see here, complete the sentence. They are mentioned. Okay, see, an astronaut wears a dash. An astronaut. Okay, an astronaut wears a dash. So now I write the answer. See here. Yes, it's not the answer. Spacesuit. Okay, spacesuit. Yes, spacesuit is like a dash. They are mentioned capsule. Okay, now write the capsule. Capsule. So now write the capsule. Like the one of food of aliens. Okay. Okay, right. A spacesuit. See here. Okay. A spacesuit allows us to dash. Yes, just you're right. That one what? Okay, now right here. What work and live in space. Work and live in space. Okay, are clear? Work and live in space. Clear? Okay. Next you are see. Are you here, students? Listen properly. Okay. A spacesuit protect us from dash and dash. Okay. So now right here heat. Okay, heat. Okay. Heat and dash. Heat and cooled. So now right here cooled. Are you clear? Okay, good. Next you see circle the things that the spacesuit provide us. Once again, circle the things that the spacesuit provide us. Okay. So now right. You are needed to the yes air. So now write the air. Circle the things that the spacesuit provides. At that time we are needed to the air and water. Okay. So now write make to the round what air and water. Okay, are you clear? Okay, good. See here. Next you are making to the letter writing. Okay, see letter writing also here. Okay, see first of all they are given to the model of this letter. Number 15 big street, what? Namachivayapuram. Okay, Namachivayapuram, 26th June 2019. They are write it. Okay, they are given to the for example of this letter. Okay, okay. Dear, dear Kumaran, how are you? They are mentioning, dear Kumaran, how are you? I find here. I find here. There is a festival in my village next week. I am very happy to invite you to the festival because their side festival and function going on. So he's called. Okay, they are mentioned letter. So, how are you? I am fine here. There is a festival in my village next week. I am very happy to invite you to the festival. Please plan to be here on Monday the 13th. I am eager to meet you. Convey my regards to your parents. Your loving friend or Netra. Okay, so we are writing the letter to here. Okay, write a letter to invite your friend to your house for the summer occasions. Anyone's fine. Just now I write here letter. So now I make a letter address. Okay, anyone address you write your address or anyone address write it is not a problem. Okay, so now we give for example of one. Okay, one address number 45 Anna Salai. Okay, now right here Anna Salai. Are you okay, students? Okay, Anna Salai. Okay, right, good. Anna Salai, Tanjavur. So now we make a place Tanjavur. Okay, Tanjavur. Okay, are you clear? Okay, right. Date, you are mentioned the date means. Okay, now I write the date also here. Anyone's right here. Okay, 17/8/2000. So now I write that anyone. It's not a problem. Okay. So dear Kavita. Okay, I take the name Kavita for example. Okay, anyone your name also write. Yeah, okay, it's not a problem. So any your friend's name, anyone letter. So now I write here Kavita. Okay. Kavita. Okay, clear. Kavita also now right here Kavita. Okay, right. See, how are you? First of all now right here how are you? Okay, how are you? How are you? Now right here how are you? Okay, so how are you? It is one of the question word, so now I write the question mark. How are you? I fine. I am fine. Okay, are clear? I am fine here. I hope. See here I hope you have completed. So now right here, see here. Where I stop it? Yes, completed. LETED. Yes, completed your YOUR. Okay, it's YOUR. Your students studies. To you. TA. Yes, studies. Complete your studies. This TH is this. This your and enjoying. So now right here enjoying. Okay, enjoying. ENJOYING. Okay, ING. Okay, enjoying. Are you clear? Okay, enjoying summer. So now right here summer. Okay, summer vacation. Okay, vacation. Okay, okay, vacation, VACD on vacation, okay, right here vacation. I know you, so now right here I know you, I know, I knew, past and present tense, like that, okay. I know you, I know you, so you, I know you, love, I know you love Trichy, Trichy, because like the one is place, okay, Trichy, and it's okay, it's now right here, it's okay, its surroundings, okay, now right here surroundings, okay, yes, URRO, yes, okay, surround, surroundings, okay, are clear, surround, SURROUNDINGS, surroundings, okay, are clear, okay, just you're like that, you're right. Finally, see here as you, what, yes, as you had, as you had in your, are clear, in your, see, earlier visit, okay, now right here don't space, so now I write here visit, I hope you, so anyone write here, I hope you, HOP, okay, I hope you, okay, I hope you accept invite and come, you ACC EPT, okay, accept invite and come here, okay, come here, so there write the letter, okay, so finally you write, it's enough, okay, anyone write is no problem, finally yours lovingly, so now right here yours lovingly, so now I write xxx, okay, anyone your name right here, okay, just write xxx, okay, it's not a problem, okay, are you clear students? Yeah, good, okay, next we all see what, okay students, finally we all see I can do, okay, I can do, okay, right, okay, uh, first of all we all see option A, answer the following, okay, name of the object in your mother tongue used in a sentence. First of all we have to see name of the object, so the first of all now I write the first one, uh, see, now I write here and, so write listen, and it's one of the un, okay, and unidentified, UNIDENTIFIED, identified, okay, identified flying, identify flying object, so now write here object, JC, what ST also here, right, object, BJECT, okay, object, are clear, okay, good. Next you have see what is it, yes, flying plate, parakkum tattu, like that they are Tamil, okay, any your language parakkum tattu, like not a problem, right, not a problem, so now write flying plate, okay, your language, so So for examples now write here flying what? Yes, flying plate. Are you clear, students? Okay. Okay, use in a sentence. Finally, use in, what is it? Yes, use in a sentence. Okay, good, students. Okay, here fill the box, students. You cannot the how to fill the box, this was not a problem. You cannot fill the box means not a problem. I first of all I write the words, after come and try it. Okay, okay, students, listen properly. So now I write uh, so I make one sentence. UFO, it's one of the word. Okay, it's, I mean spell UFO only, not a word. Okay, UFO has been, so been also here, UFO has been sighted. Okay, sighted. So now I write this sighted. Yes, SIGHTED, sighted. Sighted many times. Okay, now I write here sighted many times. TAMES, many times in our human history. In our human, clear? Okay, in our human history. Yes. Okay, in our human history, right? Clear? Okay, good. Okay, students. Okay, now I finish. Next we are see option B. Write the common words from the pictures. Write the common words from the pictures. So the pictures also here. Now write here. First of all, key and board also here. So now write what? Key also here, So now write key. Okay, board also here. So now write here BOARD, keyboard. Okay, so now write key plus board, keyboard. Okay, book and swarm. So now write here book swarm. Okay, bookworm. So now write book, son of worm. Okay, in big worm, bookworm. Okay, bookworm. Now write here already completed. Okay, right, clear? Okay. C, next one, option C also here. Use the clues and complete the compound words they are mentioned, So see here cow also here. So cow mean plus dash gas. Is equal to dash also here. So now write cow plus, so boy also here. So now write boy. So cow plus boy. So the answer is what? Yes, cowboy. Are good students. Okay, who's tell? Yes, good. Sit down. Okay, right. Cowboy, clear? So, nice. Cowboy also now right here, right? Cowboy. Okay. For next one, see rain plus dash. What is rain? See here, it is another quote, So rain plus what? Quote. So now right here quote. COUT, quote. Okay. So we are add to the word. Okay. Plus rain quote. So raincoat now right here. Okay, are clear? Raincoat. Okay, clear. See option D also here. See here, recite the poem beyond the universe. It's not like that. You read the poem. Okay, so we recap the poem. Just you write. Already tell beyond the universe poem. So you just read it. It's not a problem. Okay, just you sing the song. Okay, so they are mentioned. Recite the poem beyond the universe. So just I show the word. Okay, it's not a problem. See this poem, answer of this poem beyond the universe. Okay, just you read it. Okay, not a problem. Already I read it. Okay, just try. Okay, right. Okay students, now we are saying, are you here? Okay, don't go outside, just listen me. So you listen in, you are easily understood in our words. Okay, yeah, okay. Right, see here, already you are complete, you know. Yes, see, okay, fill in the blanks with those collective nouns. Fill in the blanks those collective noun. Yes, okay. mm. Swarm, school, flock. Okay, swarm, school, flock. First of all, a school of fish. Okay, now right here, a school of fish. Okay, so school also here, so now right here, school. See, sorry, a soul of fish. I make a mistake, sorry. Soul of fish, a soul of fish. Sorry students, soul of fish, not a school, soul of fish. Sketch a soul of fish. Okay, SKHO, yeah, this is answer of here. Okay, so a soul of fish. Okay, now right here, clear. Okay students, soul of fish now, right? Okay, it's not a problem. Next you are see, okay, right, a dash of birds. So a flock of birds. See here, a flock of fish. FL, okay, FLOCK. A flock of birds. Okay, a flock of birds. Okay, clear. Okay, now we all see what, a dash of bees. Okay, yes, see what is the answer of here? Here, swarm. Swarm also here, so now I get swarm. Okay, yes, swarm. A swarm of bees. Okay, like the swarm of bees. Clear. Okay students, next you all see, circle the abstract noun. Circle the abstract noun. Fear, because we are cannot touching that word. You are touching that, I touch the book. Okay, so it's not the abstract noun. Its name is book. It is one of the proper noun. Sorry, common noun. Book means common noun. It is a English book. It is a proper noun. So see here, abstract noun, because abstract noun means we are cannot see that, but we are easily understand. That is one of the abstract noun. For example, see here, circle the abstract noun there mentions. Fear. Fear we cannot see that, you know, just understanding only. So fear, so make a circle of it. Okay. Okay, next we all see box. It is one of the not a abstract noun. It is like that, it is one of the common noun. Beauty, it is one of the abstract noun. So now write the abstract noun here. Okay, right. Tree, it's one of the common noun. Taste, it's one of the abstract noun, because easily understanding but cannot touch it. Okay. Pencil, this is one of the common noun. Okay. Happiness, it is one of the abstract noun. See here, abstract noun, so I make a circle. Honesty, it is one of the abstract noun. Book, not a abstract noun. Already I tell you, no. Book, box, you know. Box also here, book also here. Okay, the books, it is one of the not the sorry, box also here. Okay, the box also here, it is one of the what, S, common noun. Okay. Book also common noun. Honesty also here. Okay, it is one of the abstract noun. Anchor, it is one of the common noun. Happiness, abstract noun. Fear, abstract noun. Beauty, abstract noun. Taste, abstract noun. Are clear students? Okay, good. See, next you all see learning outcome. Just you are making the colors. Okay, see here, violet color also here. So you all see the colors. Okay, green color, you make a color, green color. Orange color, you make a orange color. See, welcome any visitors and treat them with what they needed. Okay, just you are make it the violet color. Green color also is here. Understand the pros and supplementary. You see green color. Next, and read and understand a passage. Okay, you are read the green color. Okay, it's not a problem. Next, orange color also here. Okay, use compound words. Okay, right. See here, write an informal letter. Okay, write an informal letter. So you write orange color to here. Okay, right. And see blue. Yes, it is on blue color. Yes, right. Are clear, students? Okay. Differentiate between collective and abstract nouns. So you are making the color of violet. Sorry, blue. Okay, make it the blue color. Recite the poem. What color? Is orange color. Yes, you are making the orange color. Orange or yellow? I think orange and yellow. This color. What? Yes, it is the orange. It is the red. Okay, we are making the orange. Okay, that given to the orange color. It's a red color, right? Okay, are clear, students? Okay, today class over. Today I give it today homework. Okay, I tell you today I given to the homework. Okay, definitely next day I make a test. You are prepare well. Okay, this are all the happening. Just recap in your words. Okay, today what test mean? Sorry, today now I give it to the homework. Yes, see here. You just option A. Okay, mention. See here. Just I only headline only I tell you. Just you write a question and answer. Okay, you write the question and answer also. With send me in our WhatsApp number. Okay, and you are taking to the photos. You write full words and false, true. You write it. Okay. Next you write name of the character of speaker. Just you write it. Okay, but important you are add in your question and answer also. Okay, question also must question and answer, write that and you are send it. Okay, send ourself. Okay, and see option A, option B, option C, option D. Okay, okay, now that's all. Next class I give more than homework, so plus your add plus it's also okay, it's also you write. Okay, E also homework. Yeah, letter also homework. Okay, today homework your once again I tell you letter writing, don't forget letter writing. Yes, no need. Okay, yes, then try your own. Okay, just copy it. Okay, next your see option A, option B, option C also homework. Once again I tell you, don't forget. Okay, try your own homework. Speak and win, it's also homework. Finally you write letter writing. That's all, students. I meet next class. Don't forget tomorrow I make a test. Okay, don't forget you are study well in your home. Okay, bye bye. I meet next class. Okay, students, bye.